welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking flight into the world of drones, machines that combine cutting-edge engineering, breathtaking camera technology, and the freedom to capture the world from above. Whether you're a filmmaker chasing cinematic shots, a traveler wanting to document adventures, or a hobbyist exploring aerial photography, drones have become essential tools for creativity. And in this countdown, we're exploring the top 5 drones that deliver the best mix of performance, innovation, and value. From compact flyers to professional aerial platforms, these drones prove that the sky is no longer the limit, it's the beginning. Let's get started! Number 5, DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is the ultimate travel companion, a drone that fits in the palm of your hand yet delivers professional-grade performance. Weighing under 249 grams, it avoids many regulatory hurdles, making it accessible to beginners while still appealing to seasoned pilots. Despite its compact size, the Mini 4 Pro packs a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of shooting stunning 4K video at 60 FPS and capturing 48mm stills. HDR video support ensures vibrant colors and balanced exposure, even in challenging lighting conditions. Flight performance is equally impressive. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mini 4 Pro offers enhanced safety, giving pilots confidence to fly in complex environments. Its OcuSync 4 transmission system provides a stable connection with up to 20 km range, ensuring smooth video feeds and reliable control. The drone's 34-minute flight time means you can capture extended sessions without constant battery swaps. For creators, intelligent shooting modes like focus track, master shots, and hyperlapse make cinematic storytelling effortless. Whether you're tracking a moving subject, orbiting a landmark, or creating time-lapse sequences, the Mini 4 Pro automates complex maneuvers with precision. Design is sleek and foldable, making it easy to slip into a backpack. Combined with its lightweight build, it's the drone you can take anywhere, from mountain hikes to city explorations. For travelers, vloggers, and hobbyists, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is proof that small can be mighty. It's the perfect entry into aerial creativity, offering freedom, portability, and professional results without compromise. Number 4, Autel Evo Lite Plus. The Autel Evo Lite Plus is a drone designed for creators who demand flexibility and power. Its standout feature is the 1-inch CMOS sensor with adjustable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11. This gives pilots unprecedented control over exposure and depth of field, making it ideal for both cinematic video and professional photography. Capable of shooting 6K video at 30 FPS, the Lite Plus delivers detail and clarity that rivals much larger drones. Flight performance is robust with up to 40 minutes of flight time, one of the longest in its class. Combined with Autel's reliable transmission system, pilots can explore wide landscapes and capture extended sequences without interruption. The drone also features intelligent obstacle avoidance and advanced subject tracking, ensuring safety and precision during complex flights. Low-light performance is a highlight. Thanks to Autel's Moonlight algorithm, the Lite Plus excels in night photography, producing clean, detailed images even in challenging conditions. This makes it a favorite among creators who want to push boundaries beyond daylight shooting. Design is sleek and practical with foldable arms and a sturdy build that inspires confidence. Autel also emphasizes user freedom. The Lite Plus avoids restrictive geofencing, giving pilots more flexibility in where they fly. For filmmakers, photographers, and professionals who want a drone that balances high-end imaging with long endurance, the Autel Evo Lite Plus is a powerhouse. It's a drone that doesn't just capture moments, it elevates them, offering creative control and technical excellence in every flight. Number 3, DJI Air 3. The DJI Air 3 is a versatile mid-range drone that bridges the gap between portability and professional performance. Its defining feature is the dual camera system, a wide-angle lens and a 3x medium telephoto lens. This combination allows creators to switch perspectives seamlessly, capturing both sweeping landscapes and intimate close-ups without changing drones. Video quality is exceptional with 4K at 100 FPS and HDR support. The Air 3 also offers 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, giving professionals greater flexibility in post-production. Still, photography benefits from high resolution and dynamic range, making it suitable for both casual and commercial projects. Flight performance is strong, with up to 46 minutes of flight time, one of the longest in DJI's lineup. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safety, while OcuSync 4 transmission provides stable connectivity over long distances. For creators, intelligent modes like waypoint flight, focus track, and quick shots make complex maneuvers simple. The Air 3 is also optimized for social media creators, offering vertical shooting modes that produce content ready for platforms like Instagram and TikTok. Design is compact and foldable, yet feels premium. It's light enough for travel, but powerful enough for professional use, making it one of the most versatile drones available. For those who want a drone that adapts to multiple shooting scenarios, from cinematic landscapes to dynamic action, the DJI Air 3 is a perfect choice. It's a creative tool that empowers storytellers to capture the world from every angle. Number 2, Skydio 2 Plus. The Skydio 2 Plus is the drone that redefines autonomy. Built around advanced AI and computer vision, it's designed to fly itself, making it the ultimate companion for action sports and dynamic environments. Equipped with 6 4K navigation cameras, the Skydio 2 Plus creates a real-time 3D map of its surroundings, allowing it to avoid obstacles with unmatched precision. Its main 4K 60 HDR camera delivers crisp, vibrant footage, while intelligent tracking ensures subjects remain perfectly framed. Whether you're biking through forests, skiing down slopes, or running trails, the Skydio 2 Plus follows seamlessly, navigating obstacles that would challenge human pilots. Flight time is around 27 minutes, but the real value lies in its autonomy. With features like keyframe, pilots can design cinematic paths that the drone executes flawlessly, creating professional shots without manual control. The Skydio 2 Plus also offers extended range with its beacon accessory, allowing pilots to maintain connection even in complex environments. Combined with its compact design, it's a drone built for adventure. For athletes, adventurers, and creators who want to focus on the action rather than piloting, the Skydio 2 Plus is revolutionary. It's not just a drone, it's an intelligent flying partner that captures moments you couldn't otherwise record. It proves that the future of drones isn't just about cameras and flight time, it's about autonomy and intelligence. Number 1, DJI Mavic 3 Pro. At the top of the list sits the DJI Mavic 3 Pro, a drone that represents the pinnacle of aerial imaging. Its defining feature is the triple camera system, including a 4.3-inch Hasselblad sensor, a medium telephoto lens, and a long telephoto lens. This setup gives creators unparalleled flexibility, from cinematic wide shots to detailed zoom perspectives. Video quality is world-class with 5.1K resolution at 50 FPS, 4K at a 20 FPS, and support for Apple ProRes on higher models. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution ensures accurate, lifelike colors straight out of the camera, while 12-bit RAW support provides maximum flexibility for professional workflows. Flight performance is equally impressive with up to 43 minutes of flight time and omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The OcuSync 3 Plus transmission system delivers stable connectivity over 15 kilometers, ensuring reliable control and live feeds. Intelligent features include advanced RTH, return to home, focus track, and waypoint flight, making complex missions simple. Combined with its robust build and premium design, the Mavic 3 Pro feels like a true flagship.